The Knight of Swords charges across the card with breathtaking force, sword raised high and eyes fixed on his objective. As heir of air, he embodies the mind in relentless motion, clarity accelerated into action, truth pursued with conviction, and thought sharpened into decisive movement. Where the page experiments with ideas, the knight propels them forward, becoming the warrior of intellect. The raised sword is the first central symbol. Held aloft and slicing through the wind, it represents decisive thought, clear intention, and the courage to assert truth. This is not contemplation, it is execution. The knight acts on what he believes, his blade cutting through the doubt and hesitation. His charging horse is the second symbol. Powerful, restless, and lunging forward, the horse embodies speed, instinct, and unstoppable momentum. It reveals what thought becomes when ignited, an energy that cannot be contained, a mission that demands immediate pursuit. The horse mirrors the intensity of a mind driven strongly by purpose. The wind-swept landscape forms the third symbol. Trees bend violently, clouds streak diagonally across the sky, and the environment reacts to his motion. This turbulence shows that truth and clarity can be disruptive, that strong ideas reshape the world around them. The landscape reflects both the challenges he confronts and the impact he generates. His armor, decorated with birds, likely swallows, is the fourth symbol. Birds signify intellect, freedom, and higher perspective. They represent the swift movement of ideas and the clarity that comes from seeing a situation from above. These winged emblems reveal that the knight's mission is guided by mental sharpness rather than emotion. The flaming red plume in his helmet provides the fifth symbol. Swept backwards by speed, it signifies passion, urgency, and the fire that fuels his intellect. Though he is the most cerebral of the knights, his thoughts burn brightly, his conviction is ignited with emotions and will. Together, these symbols create a portrait of the Knight of Swords as the bold advocate of truth, the strategist who acts without delay, the force that cuts through stagnation. He is clarity in motion, intellect with courage behind it. In readings, he may represent swift events, urgent communication, or a person who is articulate, direct, and passionately driven. He calls for action grounded in truth, but also awareness of consequences. His shadow warns of impulsiveness, tunnel vision, or words that cut too deeply. Ultimately, the Knight of Swords invites us to act decisively, speak honestly, and pursue clarity with fearless conviction.